The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall, skilla. Good morning, my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla is here again, you see it? Yeah. Big up to the roaster shown in the video that I just presented to you. Yeah, what a crow. That you call a good morning wake up. A long one too. See it? Alright, so I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and some things I want to talk to you about. Now, I want to talk to you about a video that I saw on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about that video, allegedly it is said that the video shows a member of parliament who goes by the name of Floyd Green at a party or a celebration that had been held somewhere within the country of Jamaica on a no movement day within the country of Jamaica. Allegedly it is said that Floyd Green is not the only politician who was at that celebration or party that had been held on a no movement day within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, one of them 24 hours curfew there. Yeah, no movement day, my people. So I say, now one of the reasons why I am presenting this short piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video is being talked about on social media. I don't know if there are other videos posted on social media that shows this alleged celebration or party that had been held on a no movement day within the country of Jamaica. I don't know. But one thing I know is that some negative and positive comments have been made on social media about the video that I am about to present to you. I'm going to take a look at the video and tell me what you think. Yes, I mean, I say it's a short video, but here it is. Take a look and observe.
No movement there. Let's post it tomorrow.
Well, my people, that video really shows a celebration. You see what I say? Me hear no movement day mentioned in the video. You see me? Yeah, toast. Yeah, toast. You see me? Toast. You see? Anyways, let me know what you think about the video. Tell me if that video actually shows the member of parliament and member of Jamaica Labour Party who goes by the name of Floyd Green, you see me, and tell me overall what you think about that short piece of video. So I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a hostile confrontation between two men over a fire. This video is going to show two men with weapons arguing and faking at each other with those weapons over fire. See? One man have a knife, one man have a machete, and both men are acting as if they were going to hurt each other with those weapons, all because of fire. And I'm talking about fire that you cook on. My people, I tell me what I think about this video. In my point of view, this video shows two men who almost fight with weapons with each other because of a fire or over a fire, right? Tell me what you think about this video. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
Boy, long fire, boy, man. Go on, man. We don't go up, sir. Punch up water in eye. Yes, he bought a call from phone at all. Yes, the Gilbert are coming, huh? Yes, man. The Gilbert are coming, huh? Yes, me don't have my blood clot. Come touch me. Touch me that, huh? Touch me, huh? He's coming in pussy clot in here, you know?
Where will you sell, man?
No, me I'm going away.
Yo, alright, big head boy, learn what I want.
Fire, my people. The man them almost fight over fire with weapons too, you know. Fire. I don't know if those men actually fight after that video stopped recorded or maybe during the video, you know, but the piece of video that I saw, that's what I'm going by. Those men almost fight over fire. Fire, you know. See? The people, don't make me know what to think about that video. Right? I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show the musician who goes by the name of Busta Rhymes at a party, showing homage to veteran Jamaican musicians. See? He also said happy birthday to a producer who goes by the name of Swizz Beatz. You see? Yeah, he said happy birthday to Swizz Beatz more than one time. You see me I say? And me like the vibes shown in this video, my people. You see me I say? Yeah, and in my point of view, I think that Super Cat shell out the party. As I say, some people want to take a look at this video and tell me what they think. I'm going to tell you what I think about this video as well. As I said to you, are probably other things too. You see, harsh languages have been used in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Any fucking body. Me and my man Webb and my man Neon, Mr. Cut School, we was in Tilden, Erasmus, Brooklyn, Westinghouse. I used to sit home and I used to watch the fucking videotapes.
Birthdays
I
out.
used to be like, yo, I wanna be like them. Papa Son, lecturer, Professor Nuts, Super Cat, Admiral Bailey, Tiger. Them man, them in that try and be everything what me do, but learn from them man them. The way I jump around on stage, I learn from them. The way I fuck niggas up on their records, I learned it from them. I'm paying homage, Shaka Ranks, all of them. Swizz Beatz tonight, happy birthday to you, King. I said Swizz Beatz. Happy birthday to you, King.
Yeah, big up Swizz Beatz, big up.
I want you to leave the chalice and feel Irish. La 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 la. Smoke the sense and feel happy. La 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 la. Well, Swizz Beatz is your birthday, and from your first day, it was your birthday, and now your birthday is a that strong there. You want to lay away, make them leave away, and we are lazy, and them are playing. And people tell them as I get it on your boss DJ. From London, come straight up in the USA. And the semester that you come get one somewhere. From the semester that you never open up. We say Swizz Beatz, Alicia Key, yeah, Baby Sean, yeah. Busta Rhymes, while I'm watching, when they're can't touch me. Them said them can never touch me. Make me tell you them can't stop me. None of them could have never ever stop me. Baby Sean come from me. Them want to run it up. What's up? I can't manage me. I hold rock of ages, stages, you know, cases of done can we
Super Cat.
thoroughbred races, the water of the race optimist. You ever tell me about you? Watch out. We're said wrong by the angle of our wrong by the angle of our it name Pussy Caesar, pocket short for Tracer. Pussy Caesar, pocket short for Tracer. Pussy said she said she had me.
Too good. Too good, babe.
Okay.
Super Cat. Super Cat is my favorite.
Baby Sham, Busta Rhymes.
Yeah, big up Swizz Beatz, you see? Yeah man, big up Swizz Beatz, you see? Yeah man, I'm gonna respect how Super Cat shell out the party there. Yeah man, me like the vibes shown in the video, you see me? Now here's the thing now my people. I like the way how Busta Rhymes show homage to veteran Jamaican musicians. Yeah, in my point of view, that show proof that veteran Jamaican musicians influence at least one big superstar out there to the world. Listen me? And here's the thing now too. And you can tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. You see me I say, but I want to point out this. In my point of view and in my book, I think that Busta Rhymes is the king of rap and hip hop. Yes, Busta Rhymes, I think that Busta Rhymes is the king of rap and hip hop music. See? Because in my point of view, I think that at one part of Busta Rhymes' music career, I think that he caused more people within the country of Jamaica and probably people from within the Caribbean to listen to rap music and hip hop music more. See? And I think that all started when he do a song was said. The song was said, party if you really want to party with us. Let me sing it. Hit you with the lanes of what they're saying, yo. Silly with my 9 million, what the deal, yo. When I be on the mic, I got the maduli, yo. Wind up in the club like I'm up in the studio. You know that song me I talk about, right? And then a whole list of entertainers from Jamaica put for them version of songs on that instrumental for that song that Busta Rhymes do. I mean, I tell them people, in them the days there, when that song released, and in them the days there after the entertainers them in Jamaica will go up on the rhythm there, the instrumental, me I tell you, there is not a party me no go and when me no hear them the song they play along with the Busta Rhymes song. See, Busta Rhymes the song of a say. See me I say, there's not a party when me no go and me no hear all of them the songs they play. You see? Don't get me wrong enough viewers and subscribers, you see? I am not saying that Busta Rhymes is the reason why people in the Caribbean listen to rap and hip hop music, you know. No, me not say that, you see me? But what me I try to point out is that Busta Rhymes might be one of the main reasons, or the main reason why people listen to rap and hip hop music more, because of at least one song that he had done. Yes, I said to you, because after him do that song about the hitting of delay, he do more songs. I mean, I tell you, I just number one after number one after number one, and I saw the man had drop the song them. You see me? Him do song from way back when did that go on good? Like the song with Bounty Killer and Junior Reid, right? That the song that they are going good. But for some reason, Busta Rhymes kick a gear where him just a number one behind number one from the hit it with the lanes and then give me some more and then dangerous and all them songs they are come up the line. You see me? It's like the man just shell out rap and hip hop and just control the whole thing. For you hear say Busta Rhymes there at an event, it is the biggest thing. See me I say? So big up Busta Rhymes. In my point of view, I think that Busta Rhymes is the king of rap and hip hop. If you disagree with me, let me know. If you agree with me, let me know. And I yes, I'm gonna left it. So big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up, you see?
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla.
You are watching
Dancehall Skilla.